beautiful people, welcome once again to Abenasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video is a cook with me with the family. We prepared our Thanksgiving dinner together, guys, and this Thanksgiving is one of the best Thanksgiving that we've ever had. Come along with me and let me show you what we did. The first thing that had to go in the oven was the ribs. Ribs takes about 3 hours to cook, guys. Now, mom is making more dinner rolls because the one we made the night before finished the morning of Thanksgiving. My brother is also cutting up some chicken to make some fried rice. And then I have one of my girls making pineapple ginger juice. And we will be adding some lemon and honey. Since there was so much help in the kitchen, I started cooking my rice for the fried rice. And then my daughter is also making her cream cheese frosting for the pumpkin cupcakes that she made last night. And what you're seeing here is the rice that I cooked for the fried rice. So we'll be adding some vegetables and oyster sauce and a few more ingredients to make it fried rice. Mom is working on the shrimp, and like I said, everyone was so helpful. And it's been about 3 hours since the ribs went in. So my brother went ahead and took it out. He brushed the ribs with barbecue, and then we're going to put it back in the oven under broil for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, my daughter helped take out the ribs so that it wouldn't burn. That is her favorite meat. And the ribs is done. We went ahead and baked more dinner rolls, and as you can see, it looks good. And what you're seeing here is the king of mac and cheese. My son is grating the cheese for the mac and cheese, whilst my mom is also making the roux for the mac and cheese, guys. Everyone was so helpful. I'm helping put the cheese inside the roux. And I went ahead to add the macaroni to the cheese sauce, and the macaroni and cheese is ready to go into the oven. We put some American cheese on top, and that's how the kids like it. Mom is also mixing her jollof rice, and as you can see, the jollof is going to be good. I'll be sharing her jollof stew very soon with you guys. And the last thing that's going in the oven is the chicken. I sprayed my rack and I've transferred the chicken onto the rack, and I made sure to put more of the marinade on the outside of the chicken. And mom likes to put some thyme and rosemary inside the chicken, so I'm doing as she wants. Everyone is just so helpful, and I'm so grateful for this day. So we are ready to put the chicken in the oven, guys, for about an hour and 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And this Thanksgiving was just one of the easiest Thanksgiving that I've ever hosted. I spray the top of the chicken to keep it crispy when it's done baking, and it goes into the oven, guys. And my girls, the best girls ever, they went ahead to set the table for Thanksgiving. And these girls were amazing. And guys, look at the beautiful work they did. My girls set the table, guys. They did all of this work all by themselves, and I'm so grateful to them. The chicken is ready to come out of the oven, and we cannot wait to enjoy our hard work in the kitchen. Guys, the jollof is ready, the chicken is ready, and we baked two mac and cheese, so we went ahead and combined both mac and cheese. This is our special fried rice, the shrimp, chicken and beef, and our barbecue ribs. Everything that you see was made by us, guys, and I'm so grateful for these kids. Sending you and your family the warmest Thanksgiving this year. If you're a new subscriber, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you. And please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like and comment. You hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.